My dream. Everyone has a dream to achieve some things in his life. Some people dream of becoming famous, popular, and rich, and some want to make other life better by helping them. My dream is to become a doctor. I have seen many doctors who save others people's life and they feel happy in the satisfaction they get together this activity. I want to be a doctor who will save and good for this society and help poor to get good medicine care without expecting big money in return. Doctors are respects it in all places and among all types of society. Doctors are really noble persons. My parents and teachers always motivate me to study well and passionately work towards achieving my dream. Thank you.